Hi guys. So there is this question. This is your friend Uroyondo Musa. We want to tackle these word problems. A lot will keep coming. So say the first question says one pencil and two erasers cost 14 pesos. Okay. So pesos is currency in Ghana. Two pencil and three erasers cost 24 pesos. How much does each pencil and each eraser cost? Okay. So how do we solve this kind of problem? Okay, so solution solution for the first one. Okay, so say that let's analyze the question again. One pencil, okay, one pencil and two erasers. Okay, so we don't know, uh, let's say we assume a variable for the pencil, okay, and then another variable for the eraser. Okay, so at the end, all that they want is to find the cost for each, both the pencil and then the eraser. How do we go about it? So we'll now assume some variable for both items here. We have pencil and eraser. So we say that let x, and because we are talking of pencil uh, in pesos here, we'll say let x pesos be the cost of a pencil, okay, and so let y pesos, okay, be the cost of an eraser. Now, let's go back to the question. It said one pencil, so it means we know that x is the cost of one pencil. That's a pencil, okay. So one pencil, so one x, okay. So let's analyze this. Said one pencil and in word problem that's plus, okay, and two erasers, okay, two eraser, and eraser here is y, okay, so plus two erasers, 2y. Cost, the cost here is our equal to sign equal to 14 pesos, okay, is equal to 14 pesos, and so we assign this to be our equation 1. Okay, then the second thing here is, let's analyze the second statement. Two pencils, okay, our pencil, the cost of a pencil here is x. So two pencils, so that means 2x, uh, and that means plus three erasers, okay, 3y, eraser is y, okay, cost is equal to 24 pesos, okay. So this should be our equation 2, sorry. Okay. Okay. So now we've been able to analyze our given question, and so we want now to solve these two equations simultaneously. Okay. At the end, that is all the question wanted, to be able to solve for x. Okay. And simultaneous equation is being able to come up with solutions that fit both the first equation at the same time can fit also the second equation. So the value we get for x should be able to fit here and here, and the value we get for y should be able to fit in equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. So which one is easier to start with? Maybe by substitution, let's do this. Let's start with the equation 1. So from equation 1, we can say x, okay, we want to make x the subject, meaning we want to let x stand alone. X is equal to, so I maintain the 14, then I bring the 2y, positive 2y to cross the equal to sign. When the positive 2y crosses the equal to sign, it becomes negative 2y. Okay, let's call this equation 3. Okay, because we'll need it later on. Equation 3. Okay, so now our substitution will start here. Let's take the equation 2, then we substitute the equation 3 in it. Okay, so wherever we see, we said wherever we see x, we put the value of x in there, okay, in the equation 2. That's so so taking equation 2, we say that from equation 2, we say that that's 2. So I will leave space for the value here. So 2x. So at the place of the x, let me put this bracket there, okay, because of the value here. Should be equal to um 2x plus so here, let me leave it, is plus 3y, okay, is equal to 24. So I'll now, so it's 2x plus 3y is equal to 24. So wherever I see the value of x, I put the this there. Okay, so 214 minus 2y, right? At the end, I want to be able to get terms in one particular variable. That's why I'm doing the substitution. So here, let's apply this in board mass here. Bracket first, right? Bracket first. So I will do the multiplication first. That's 2 times 14 is 28, minus 2 times 2y is 4y, right? Plus, I'm done with this, plus 3y is equal to 24. So solving this, I will have, so let me maintain this. I want to send these numbers involve both y, okay, variables. So I'll keep them grouping like terms. There's 24 here, there's 28 here. So I'll send the 28 to join the 24. So I'll say that I'll keep this, which is minus 4y plus 3y is equal to 24. This 24, I maintain it. Then when I bring the 28 from the left hand side, or the 28 cross equal to sign to join the 24, it become negative. Since it's positive, it becomes negative 28. Okay, and so from here, let's do the algebra. Minus 4y plus 3y. So it's just like minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, right? So minus 4, you are owing 4, and then you're able to pay 1, you still owe 1. So minus 1y is equal to 24 minus 28. So well, you are owing, let me just say that 28 minus 24, the answer, then you negate it because you are doing the bigger one, you are subtracting the bigger one from the smaller one, so you still have a negative 4 there. Okay, so how do we do this one? Now we've gotten y, but it's negative 1y. So we'll divide both sides by negative 1. Both sides by negative 1. Okay, so here we'll have that y, the negative will cancel out, right? The negative will cancel out. So y will be equal to 4. Remember, y is the price for an eraser. Okay, so you've been able to get the y. So how do we get the x? The reason why I said we should make this equation 3, from equation 3, from equation 3, okay, we have, let me do it this way. Okay, we have that um, x is equal to 14 minus 2y. So it means now we've gotten the value of y. Wherever we see y in equation 3, we put 4 there, right? So just to say x, right? X is equal to 14 minus 2. The value of y here is 4. So I'll put into bracket 2 into bracket 4, right? So let me come here. Okay, so let me come here. Okay, so x, doing the algebra also here is, okay, x is equal to 14 minus 2 times 4 is 8, right? 2 times 4 is 8. So I'll say that x is equal to, okay, when I do 14 minus 8, I'll get 6, right? So I have been able to get my values, my values, that's x and then the y. I've been able to get x and then I've been able to get the y. Okay, so therefore, what will I say? Okay, I can write therefore. Therefore, the question says, how much does each pencil and each eraser cost? So I say that, say I know the value of the pencil here. So therefore, each pencil cost 6 pesos, and each eraser, each eraser cost, that's here, 4 pesos as required. Thank you.